Hello, I'm Chris Pine from DentureTech. Today we thought we would talk about cleaning dentures. With every new denture that we give, we also give the patient some cleaning instructions. So today I thought that I'd share those instructions with you. It's very, very important to keep your mouth clean. So after every time you've eaten, you should take your teeth out, give them a little rinse under the water, rinse some water through your mouth, and then pop the teeth back in. When you're eating, you are always going to get bits of food, the sugars, the starches, the enzymes of food under the dentures and around the dentures. This is also very important if you're wearing a partial denture. You must keep your mouth very, very clean. I'm now going to show you how to clean a denture. First thing, take your flannel, put it in the sink. We do this in case we drop the denture, and this will help stop it from breaking. With your denture brush, the denture brush has long bristles to get into the ridges. Put some paste on it, a little bit of water, and then brush around. Make sure that you hold the denture firmly. Okay? One finger in here, one finger on there. Try not to hold it like that, or it will just slide off. Brush it, rinse it, and you're done. As well as brushing them every day, you need to soak your dentures. Now, soaking in a solution will help to keep the denture sterile. It helps to stop the stains and the tartar building up on it, and helps to stop them from going smelly. I'm going to talk about two products. First is a product called Help Denture. This is relatively hard to get hold of, so we do import it, we do have it. If you want some, just give us a call, we can organise it. Help Denture is a very strong cleaner, so it will get rid of coffee stains, tea stains, nicotine stains, red wine stains, those sort of things. Generally, we get our patients to use this once a month. On a daily basis, you can use your Polydent, is what we have here today. Now, this is also a very good product. So to use Polydent, put your water in your denture container, put the tablet in the bottom, and then your denture goes on top. The bubbling of the tablet helps with the cleaning, so don't put the tablet on top of the denture. We generally recommend that you do this 2 or 3 times a week, and that should help keep your denture really clean and hygienic. So, magic of video, we've now had this in here for 3 minutes or longer. Take your denture out, give it a good rinse, a brush to make sure there's no loose food on there, and you're done. One of the comments we often get asked is, how long should I soak my dentures for? Many people like to sleep with their teeth in, and as long as your dentures are cleaned before you go to bed, we're okay with that. A lot of people will just clean their dentures while they're having a shower. That way your mouth gets a little break and the dentures get cleaned regularly. Thank you for watching my video today. If you have any comments or any questions, then please just pop them in the comments box below.